Hi there, my name is Dr. Jack Belitz, and we are here talking about back to school, especially for parents who are getting a little anxious with their child who maybe has struggled last school year with behavioral issues, constant trauma, meltdowns, focus issues, challenges socially, emotionally, anxiety, ADHD, all kinds of stuff. You might feel like you're running out of hope right now, running out of ways and things to try to help your child with these things. Well, this workshop that I'm telling you about is exactly for you because we've been doing it here for over 20 years. And I promise you, at this workshop, you're going to have your hope restored. You're going to finally have all the answers you need to make sense as to why your child is struggling. And the most important element of this workshop is it's going to give you and your family some action steps that you can take for your child that are drug-free and safe. And for over 20 years, we've been using these in our office, helping hundreds of kids throughout the years. And there's literally hundreds of offices all over the country using these same techniques to help the children overcome and get to the other side of these challenges. Now, it doesn't matter whether or not your child officially has a diagnosis of sensory or ADHD or anxiety or whatever it is. We just want you to listen to your gut. Does your gut telling you your child is struggling, maybe more so than the other kids? Now, maybe you've landed on this workshop by accident, or maybe a friend sent it to you through Facebook or Instagram, but you're probably saying that you should check this out. You should go learn more and find out if you can help your child. Listen, I've helped literally thousands of kids over the years who were in this perfect storm of muck and gunk and struggles in their life, full of all sorts of challenges, both neurologically and digestively and immune system, and we've gotten all those kids out on the other side of it. Now, the Perfect Storm Workshop is very simple. It's a 30-minute jam-packed, answer-packed workshop where we're going to teach you the latest sciences and really go through the case studies that will teach you exactly how to find out if your child is stuck like this, and if so, what you can do to fight this sympathetic storm that is raging inside their brain and their bodies and making them stuck in these patterns. We want to give you the answers you need and that you're seeking for you and your family so that you can get your child unstuck out of these constant daily and weekly struggles that have affected, especially due to the remote learning restrictions from the past year that we all had to deal with. So listen, click on the link below. Let's get you registered so you can attend. Invite your spouse, invite friends, invite family members, invite other people that might be struggling with this. Let's get you guys the answers you need to give you the help that you've been searching for so that you can feel more confident about sending your child back to school.